Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean the microphone on your phone, Samsung Galaxy S8. The first thing we do is turn off the phone. If the phone is on, we need to turn it off. Never clean the phone while it's on. If it's on, you could damage it. For cleaning, we need isopropyl alcohol. It's very good for first loosening the dirt and then evaporating afterwards. We need a screwdriver that is flexible. Bristles that are soft or medium hard, or if you don't have the option to buy something like that or a diffuser, you can use a toothbrush and a small container for the alcohol. You can purchase both such a brush and this diffuser conveniently bundled together as a complete set on Allegro or Amazon, and then we can finally start cleaning. So, the first thing, as they say, is that it is absolutely essential that the phone must be thoroughly and completely cleaned, specifically when it's turned off, right? We soak the brush in alcohol or dip it in alcohol, depending on whether we have a diffuser or not. We take the phone in our hand. Here we have the microphone hole, this tiny little hole, and we need to clean it, so in one direction, make about 10 to 15 strokes. We do this so that the microphone opening is properly cleaned. Then, in the other direction, do the same thing 10 to 15 times. Then towards the screen about 10 to 15 times. And then towards the back cover, also about 10 to 15 times. You can repeat this 2 to 3 times in each direction to make sure it's thoroughly cleaned. The microphone will be perfect. So 20 to 30 movements in each direction, alternating every 10 to 15 movements. Just to make sure that the microphone is perfectly clean. Once we've finished cleaning this microphone, we can move on to the second one, which is on the other side. Now, I want to show you, but I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. Alright. Here we have this tiny hole right at the end. This is our second microphone, which is used for noise cancellation for the speakerphone mode. It simply helps to mute the surroundings during a call, and so on. How do we clean it in every direction? About 5 to 15 times. Just like the bottom one, because these microphones are equally important. Not cleaning one microphone can be compensated for. However, something still might not work properly for you. So only after you have fully cleaned both microphones can you be sure that something is actually broken in the phone and not just clogged. As you can see now, this hole is perfectly visible, unlike before when it wasn't visible at all. And now everything will work as it should. After cleaning, set the phone aside for about 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. And after that, you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And see you in my next video.